Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Monitor. Today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 8 on the topic Cloze test with Cloze. I'm repeating, today our topic is Cloze test with Cloze and we'll practice from number 4 and 5 and number 6 will be your homework. Students, this is lesson number 10 and homework number 7. So students, please take your writing elements. We are going to practice with Cloze. So let's start. Students, in our earlier class we have done question 1 and 2 and number 3 was your homework, and today we'll practice number 4 and 5, and as I said number 6 will be your homework. So we'll start our class with number 4. Read the text below and fill the gaps using the clues given in the boxes. There are more words than necessary. One word can be used once only. So you can see in the box there are some words given for you. You have to choose the best word for the gap, and you have to fill these gaps with appropriate words. So first I'm going to say the words that are given in the box. Shelter, man, carbon dioxide, best, reach, them, to, the, timber, this, trees, me. Now we will read the passage and we'll fill the gaps. There are so many trees and plants in Bangladesh. Trees are very useful to man. They protect the dash top soil from being washed away by rainwater and flood. So they protect the dash top soil. So which top soil? Can you guess from the box? The words are given. You have to choose a word for this gap. We find rich. Rich top soil from being washed away by rainwater and flood. So in number A we have to write rich. Rich top soil from being washed away by the rainwater and flood. You can see dash being planted along mountain slopes, on roadsides and in parks. So in number B, what will be the perfect word? You can see dash being planted. So which being planted? None other than trees. We have to choose the word trees. You can see trees being planted along mountain slopes, on roadsides and in parks. So in number B we have to write trees. We have to write trees. Now another sentence, they add life dash a place with many colorful flowers, beautiful leaves and fruits. They add life. Can you get the word? They add life to a place with many colorful flowers. In number C we have to write 2. In number C we have to write 2. And next sentence, they provide the dash to birds and animals. So from this word, we use which word? They provide the dash to birds and animals. We know they provide shelter. They provide shelter to birds and animals. Birds and animals live in trees. So in number D, the word will be shelter. Okay, so in number D it will be shelter. They give us dash, medicine, paper, etc. So we get such words like medicine, paper that we get from trees. So another word related to trees, what the tree gives us, it is timber. Timber. They give us timber, medicine, paper, etc. So in number E we have to write timber. T-E-R, timber. And now for number F, the sentence is they take in dash and produce oxygen. So students, do you know what does the tree take and what they produce? Yes, they take oxygen, they take carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. Trees usually take carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen. So in number F, we have to write carbon dioxide. In number F, we have to write carbon dioxide. C-A-R-B-O-N-D-I-O-X-I-D-E. Carbon dioxide for number F. You know that dash needs oxygen to breathe and live. So who needs oxygen to breathe and live? From this given words we find man. It's true, we know that man needs oxygen to breathe and live. So in number G we have to write man. Man needs oxygen to breathe and live. They supply us dash oxygen. They supply us, what can you guess? This oxygen. We need oxygen and trees supply us this oxygen. So for H, the word will be this. Trees are our dash friends. This is the most famous or familiar sentence for you. Trees are our best friends. We know trees are our best friends. So in number I, we have to write best. And last sentence, we should protect dash and try to plant more trees around us. We should protect, yes, we should protect our trees, but here we can't use the word trees because we have to use a word for only once. That's why we have to write here them. That means them means trees. We should protect trees and try to plant more trees around us. So in number J we have to write them. We should protect them and try to plant more trees around us. So these are the answers of question number 4. Now students will practice question number 5, and again here are some words given for you. You have to choose words for the gaps, and the words are leave, are, illiterate, remove, native, as, can, from, vacation, in, flood, of. So you have to choose the perfect word for the gap. Students should not separate themselves as society. Can you guess? We have to use here a preposition. So here we find from, in, of. These are called preposition. But which one is perfect here? Students should not separate themselves from society. Themselves from society. So for gap number A, we have to write from. F-R-O-M. From. They can serve society dash many ways. Again, we have to choose a preposition for this gap, and it will be in. They can serve society in many ways. So in number B, the word will be in many ways. Their service is dash with importance to society. So can you guess? Their service is of. Another preposition. Their service is of great importance to society. So in number C, the word will be of. During dash, they should go to their dash native village. Their dash village. During dash day. So which time they should go to their village? Obviously, it will be vacation. In vacation time, we usually used to go to our village. So in number D, it will be vacation. In number D, the word will be vacation. Okay, for number E, the sentence is the same. During vacation, they should go to their dash village. Which village? We know the word native. Native village. So in number E, we have to write native. We have to write native village. They can educate the dash villagers. Which villagers? Usually we used to educate those who are illiterate. So can you guess the word from the box? Yes, illiterate. So in number F, we have to write illiterate. They can educate the illiterate villagers. Students, do you know the meaning of illiterate? Okay, who are not educated is called illiterate. Next, during a flood, the dash remove the sufferings of the dash affected people by raising funds. So the sentence is during a flood, they dash remove. So students, look, there is subject, and in the gap we have to use a verb. As there is subject, after subject we have to use verb. So which verb can we use? They dash remove the sufferings of the dash affected people by raising funds. They can. We find a verb, and this is can. They can remove the sufferings of the, and for G we have to write can. The sufferings of the dash affected people by raising funds. So which affected people? It would be flood affected people. Number H, we have to write flood. And for number I, the sentence is dash, they live in society, they dash human beings. So in number I, we find the first, the gap is given. So we have to write as they live in society. So as will be in capital letter, A will be in capital letter, as it starts, it's the beginning of the sentence. As they live in society, they dash human beings. Again, look students, they dash human. They, here it is subject, and after subject we have to use verb. And here you can see this verb are. With plural subject we have to use plural verb. They means more than one. So we have to write here for number J, are as verb. They are human beings, so they are not isolated from society. So students, these are the answers of question number 5. Now, as I said from the beginning of our class, your homework will be cloze test with cloze. Question number 6, you have to write only answer. No need to pick the whole passage for your homework. You will write only answer. First you have to read the passage and you have to guess which word is appropriate for these gaps, and you will choose a word and will write as answer. So students, this is lecture number 10 and homework number 7. Don't forget to write your lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. Students, please do your homework and don't forget to submit your homework copies on every Saturday. Guardians or anyone else can come to school and can submit your homework copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.